Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how we can invite our friends on Real Boxing 2. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application. After that, open it. Next, you will see an option on the side of settings. You have to click on that and click on invite. Now there you will see blue option. You have to click on that and it will lead you to your Facebook post. You have to click on next and click on post. Now all of your friends will be notified that you are playing Real Boxing 2, and if they want to join it, they can join you on Real Boxing 2. So this is how you can invite your friends on Real Boxing 2. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.